Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Odyssey power steering pump. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a 13mm wrench, a drain pan, and a new pump. Safety is paramount, so lift the front of your vehicle using a jack and secure it firmly with 2 jack stands. Next, find the power steering fluid reservoir, usually near the engine, and use a turkey baster or similar tool to remove as much old fluid as possible before disconnecting any hoses. Now let's tackle removing the old pump. Carefully disconnect both the high-pressure line and the return line from the pump, being ready to catch any residual fluid in your drain pan. Next, you'll need to release the tension on the serpentine belt by rotating the tensioner, allowing you to slip the belt off the power steering pulley. Finally, locate and remove the 3 mounting bolts, typically 13mm, that hold the pump in place, then gently pull the old pump free. With the old pump out, it's time for the new one. Carefully position the new power steering pump, aligning its mounting holes with the engine bracket. Insert and hand-tighten the 3 mounting bolts, then use your wrench to secure them firmly, typically to about 18 foot-pounds of torque. Next, attach the high-pressure and return lines, making sure to use new O-rings on the high-pressure line for a leak-free seal. Almost done, reinstall the serpentine belt, ensuring it's correctly routed over all pulleys, including the power steering pump. Now, fill the power steering reservoir with fresh, Honda-approved fluid, typically about 1 quart, up to the max line. Start the engine and slowly turn the steering wheel fully from left to right about 10 to 15 times to bleed air from the system. Check the fluid level again and top off if needed for smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.